welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing the loot swap challenge, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, I need something better than this. Oh no, I'm not going to fight you because you only have a pistol and a block. I don't want to fight anybody. No, guys. I don't want to fight. No. Leave me alone. No. Okay. That was fun, I guess. So I don't really want to fight anybody because I have good loot. Oh no, there's a bot on my trail. Leave me alone. I will leave you alone. Oof. I'm so bad. This feels horrible. The uncommon scar is practically the worst weapon in the game, in my opinion. I mean, the worst AR in the game. Okay. The bandies have been nerfed because they now can only you can only pick up 8 at a time, and they drop in stacks of 8, and they only heal 15 HP now instead of, I think it was 20 in the past. Yeah, so it makes it just a bit more annoying. No. Okay, guys. That was horrible. We have okay guns. I mean, not really. Oh man, he has a scoped and full. I need that UMP. No Blossom Campus. Only this guy. What am I even doing? Yeah, let's get him. He's dead. Need to drop the loot. Ooh, this is nice. Oh my loot is so good right now. I don't want to get any more kills because that would just be no. Did you guys see that lag? Oh no. there. Go. Yep, there. Oh no, guys. We just won an amazing weapon. Yeah, I got to drop this. Oh, I hit him. I'm gonna wait until they fight. Oh man, are they teaming? Please don't tell me that they're teaming. Let's go! 6 kills. I never get that low kills. I think that was like, I had like 10 HP, I think. I don't know. Yeah, but guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.